What's your name?
My name is Jessica.
Where are you from?
I'm from the United States.
Where do you live?
I live in a small city.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
How old are you?
I'm 28 years old.
What do you enjoy doing?
I enjoy reading and listening to music.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
What are you learning?
I'm learning English.
Why are you learning English?
I want to speak English more confidently.
What is your goal?
My goal is to communicate naturally in English
Why do you like it?
because it is useful and enjoyable.
When did you start?
I started a few years ago.
How often do you do it?
I usually do it several times a week.
Who do you usually do it with?
I usually do it with friends or family.
Where do you usually do it?
I usually do it at home or nearby.
What do you need for it?
I only need a little time and motivation.
What is your favorite part?
My favorite part is learning something new.
What is the hardest part?
The hardest part is staying consistent.
What would you change?
I would make it simpler and more convenient.
What is your next goal?
My next goal is to improve step by step.
For me, why do you like it?
Because it is useful and enjoyable.
In my experience, when did you start?
I started a few years ago.
Honestly, how often do you do it?
I usually do it several times a week.
Do you have a family?
Yes, I have a family.
How many people are in your family?
There are 5 people in my family.
Do you have any brothers?
Yes, I have one brother.
Are you married?
No, I am not married.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is pink.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is noodles.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is reading.
What do you do in your free time?
I watch movies in my free time.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can cook.
What can you cook?
I can cook rice and noodles.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
Can you drive?
Yes, I can drive a car.
Do you have a car?
No, I don't have a car.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I use social media every day.
Which social media do you use?
I mainly use YouTube and Facebook.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is winter.
What is your favorite day of the week?
My favorite day is Sunday.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 o'clock.
What time do you go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 11.
Are you a morning person?
Yes, I am.
Do you like mornings?
Yes, I enjoy quiet mornings.
Do you like evenings?
Yes, I like relaxing in the evening.
What makes you happy?
Spending time with my family makes me happy.
What makes you nervous?
Speaking in front of many people makes me nervous.
What is your dream?
My dream is to become successful.
What is your goal?
My goal is to improve my English.
Are you a friendly person?
Yes, I think I am friendly.
What do you usually do in the morning?
I wake up, brush my teeth, and have breakfast.
Do you have breakfast every day?
Yes, I have breakfast every day.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs and bread.
How do you go to work?
I usually go to work by bus.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 9.
What time do you finish work?
I finish work at 5.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I really like my job.
Is your job difficult?
Sometimes it is difficult.
Do you work every day?
No, I have one day off each week.
What do you do after work?
I go home and relax.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I exercise 3 times a week.
Where do you exercise?
I exercise at the gym.
Do you walk every day?
Yes, I walk every evening.
How often do you cook?
I cook almost every day.
Do you clean your room?
Yes, I clean my room every weekend.
How often do you do laundry?
I do laundry twice a week.
Do you wash the dishes?
Yes, I wash the dishes after dinner.
What do you do at night?
I usually watch videos and read.
Do you watch TV every day?
No, I don't watch TV every day.
How often do you use your phone?
I use my phone several times a day.
Do you check your messages in the morning?
Yes, I usually check them after breakfast.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I enjoy shopping.
Where do you usually shop?
I usually shop at the supermarket.
Do you make a shopping list?
Yes, I usually make a list.
What do you buy every week?
I buy vegetables, fruit, rice, and milk.
Do you like staying at home?
Yes, especially on weekends.
What do you do on weekends?
I relax and spend time with my family.
Do you visit your friends on weekends?
Sometimes I visit my friends.
Do you go outside often?
Yes, I go outside almost every day.
Do you like walking?
Yes, I love walking.